Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, so before we fix the image cropping system, let's do the single product view before we go anywhere far. So I want, when I click on this thing, click on the image itself, I'm taken to a single product view. Now, if I come back to my text editor here and I look in my views, I will see that I have product details. That's what it's called here. So this is it, but it's a .html page. So definitely we have to change that. So I will open the containing folder and then copy the product details, paste it, and then I will change the extension to .php. So at the end of the day, all the remaining HTML files will be deleted. We just remain with PHP files. All right, so pretty good so far. If I click on product details, I get this. Now, as usual, as you can remember, if we want to create a page, we must create its controller. So let's go to controllers and new file, hit save, and it will be product. What will it be? So this one is going to be product details. I've never used the hyphen before in the name of a class, but well, we learn every day. So let me try that. Controller product details. Then I will get my home controller, copy everything in here, come back to product details. Wait, the product details controller. So let's try if that will work in a class name. So say product. No, doesn't seem like it works at all. But let's see if we can try an underscore. Underscore seems fine. So what I would recommend is you rename the file. So let's rename the file product underscore details, or instead you can just put it one word. You put the capital D. That's entirely up to you. I'll leave it like that. Okay, so product details there, and then I want to remove this select all products, but I'll leave it there for now. It's not doing any harm. So here I will put the title as product details. So at this point, since you are reading from here, we're going to be reading the file details here. So you can add your file details to the title as well, because we already have read them by then, so which is pretty good. All right, for now I will leave it at that, and I need to know what to load here. So it's going to be the file product details, like that. It's got a hyphen on the other one, so you can be consistent or not. So now let's go to index.php, and where there's one product here, and put a link to that particular thingy. So shopping cart, yeah, so I just want the link to be around the image itself. So let's put a link there, shall we? And the link is simple. We'll put our root. Let's put the equal. And then just after the root, we'll put product underscore detail. And then let's put a slash there. Now the slash will have some product detail. So what do we have? We have row. And this is the issue right here, which we have not addressed. We didn't put a slug in the database. So that is something we need to actually add. So for now, there is no slug here, but there is an ID. So we can use an ID. So you'd be asking me, what's the point of a slug if we already have an ID that we can use to read the particular product? So this is where it becomes very important when you're dealing with e-commerce websites. for SEO. Now, SEO stands for search engine optimization, right? So what will happen is, as Google is indexing your page, so if a few people open your page, for example, they come to eshop.com, and then they're going to click on one of your products, and click. Now, this product is canned beef, right? But then if we're using IDs, what will the link contain? The link to this will contain product details / ID is equal to 1, or just 1/1. Now, 1 does not relate in any way to canned beef at all. So if your link to your page just contains a 1 or a number and not the product description, when somebody is searching for canned beef, Google will not know that your link, which only has 1, is the same as the canned beef that that person is looking for. So it's always a good idea to have the name of the product as part of your link. That way, when somebody is searching for that, Google will find your link to be more relevant. This is where the search engine optimization comes in. So far we only have an ID. We will change that into an actual slug, which the slug will just be a clean version of our description, our product description. So let's use the ID for now, and we will change it. So I'll say row ID like this. Pretty cool. So, oh, I need to close the A tag. Sorry about that. Close the A, my friend. So let's come back and refresh. And this time we can, nope, it's not working. It's not linking. So why is it not linking? Well, it's because the link ends here. So I'll close that, I'll remove that. So if I click here, now I get this. Very nice. So as you can see, the link here is product details /3, which does not relate in any way to our product. So that's why a slug is important. So let's fix those issues though. If I go to my header.php, you see that the bottom of header here, that's where my header ends. So in the index.php, we will just copy this header part. I shall copy that, come to the views product, and of course I have to remove everything that is header, anything named header. So from the top to here, I will just paste the header instead. Yep. And we shall do exactly that to the footer. So let's see where footer starts from. Right there. So delete all that and add the footer. So instead of header, we will say footer. Okay. Let's refresh by clicking on one of these products, and as you can see, it looks much nicer. Yeah, everything is looking sweet. Very nice. Only that we actually do not have an image here, so the product details, of course, need to be added here. So let's add just the bare minimum here. Quickly. Oh, actually, we're not retrieving any useful information. I forgot about that. So yeah, for now, this will have to do. We will do the adding of more information in the next video.